what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked, where I'll show you how to get dreadlocks like your favorite celebrities. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Lil Pump again. And you guys are like, yo, why are we looking at Lil Pump again? It's because he just frequently changes his dreadlocks so much. And not only that he frequently changes them, is that they are really interesting every time he does change them. Because we all see Lil Uzi Vert, he changes his dreadlocks all the time. We see all these other people who are constantly changing their dreadlocks. But this one is definitely something that I didn't expect from Lil Pump. So let's take a look at him. So Lil Pump, alright, we see this first video. He has the clean fade again. He has the nice lineup. He has his hair pulled up and it looks like it's braided backwards and then put into a bun. Really interesting hairstyle. Can't really see the new color in this photo. Oh yeah, you can. It's like a little green. It's like green, blue. It's like more of an aqua. It's almost the same color as Icy Narcos dreads. Lil Pump is looking different completely. He's got his braces off. His bangs cut shorter. That's something new, what we haven't really seen from him. It's like Sway Lee's dreadlocks. We see that his hair is more frizzy, more free, not as maintained or as tight as they used to look with the pink and the blonde. But yeah, he's rocking the same hairstyle that he has right here. Basically the two braids back and then he has it pulled up into a bun in this video right here. But let's see if he has anything on his story. But yeah, it's so interesting, and it's one thing to like look at him like this and to know in your head like he'll never go back to his like natural hair color, it seems like. And if he does, that's gonna be the thing that changes everything, is like what? He went back to his natural hair color. Nice house. If that's his house, that's a really nice house. But I think there was some more posts of Lil Pump, so I'm gonna see if we can find those and see if we can get other pictures of his hair. Oh, and the crazy thing is as well, is that his eyebrows are the same color as his hair. He got those dyed as well. Alright, so here we go, another photo right here with Johnny Dang. One thing that I did notice, and I think I captured it in a video, so I'm gonna play that video right now, is that his hair is 100% for sure, I've seen it, that his hair is actually interlocked. And I noticed it by the way his hair is looking. I don't really know how to explain it, but it almost looks like his hair is braided. But basically it looks like hair is like knotted or tied together, if that makes sense. But yeah, his hair is interlocked. And I did notice it 100% now. I'm not sure if it was because of the color change that I could tell, but yes, I did notice that his hair is interlocked. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting hair color. I'm not really for it. I think my favorite hair color that he did have was the red and green, because that was when his hair was like peaked out, I really feel like, and super maintained. And now his hair is like, his bangs are short and his hair is not laying down right there. It's not really moving. His hair seems fried, unfortunately. But overall, it's definitely a different look, and you can see that some of his dreads are actually rubber band at the tip and at the root like they used to be. So it looks like he's going back to some old methods that he used to use. So it's really interesting. But you guys, that's basically what I found on Lil Pump with his new hairstyles, new hair color, and that he's actually cutting the bangs now, and that he's not only maintaining the length overall, but he's cutting his bangs even shorter. What is your opinion about Lil Pump's dreadlocks? Do you think the bangs are cool? Do you think the color is cool? You let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and also a shout out too. If you want a shout out, make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.